Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright everyone, we have a Asus laptop here with model X4010. The problem is cannot turn on black screen, working but black screen. Okay, let's fix this. I will try to turn on. Power indicator light on. Cooling fan working. And we have 0.7 ampere from my power supply, but no display. No any image at the screen. Okay, Numlock not working. Try other USB port. Still not working. Okay, how to fix this problem? Okay, I have removed the CMOS battery. Remove the hard drive for first. Usually this is caused by the problem of RAM, but this motherboard using onboard RAM, so I think this is no problem. Okay, we need to remove the motherboard. Alright, this is the other side of this motherboard. This is the Wi-Fi card. We can remove first. Again. Okay, but now this is working. You can see this Numlock indicator. I think this is working. Okay, let's try to connect the screen. Okay, try again. Turn on. Oh, I'm sorry, but the Numlock is working. Okay, but still black screen. After we check the flexible cable of the LCD screen, I have here several pins of this connector not connected directly to this connector, and then after we remove the protector of this connector, here I get the cable of this connector not connected perfectly. So the cable here in the normal condition, this cable connected perfectly with the connector, but this connector is not good. I think this is caused by not used for a long time. So the solution of this laptop is we must replace this flexible cable of the screen. So because I have not this spare part, so I will buy this for first, and I will replace after we get this cable, and inshallah I will show you the result, the final result of this reparation steps. Thank you for watching.